Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to today's video. In today's video, as you can see by the title, we are going to a very, very special event. I'm going to be taking you guys with me to the Stoney Clover Lane x La La Land Homecoming Collection Takeover event. There we go. I'm filming this intro right now. I already went to the event. I actually just got home back from the event, and let me tell you, it was so fun and cute, and I loved it all. They really hit the mark with the vibe and like what the theme was and what they're going for, and I really loved that. So I'm gonna show you guys clips at the event. I'm gonna show you guys what they had there. It's really just, you know, I'm just gonna kind of like video montage it like I do. And then, of course, I have a TALI haul for you guys to show, and I also have a separate haul of stuff that I've been needing to show you guys that I have not shown yet, and I'm also gonna throw that in this video too. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is TALI Ruta, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because we are on our way to 400 subscribers, and it'd mean the absolute world to me if we reach that very soon. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social medias here on the screen, down in the description below. Without further ado, let's get into this homecoming takeover event. Hey y'all, it's Tali and welcome to this week's vlog. We are going to the Stoney Clover Lane Homecoming Collection Takeover at the La La Land Cafe. I am super excited because it's the very first Stoney Clover Lane event I'm ever going to. I've never been to a Stoney Clover Lane event. If you didn't know, Stoney Clover Lane is a customizable travel and accessory brand. I have talked about them many times on my channel. I actually have a whole playlist. I'll put it here on the screen. I use their stuff just to organize my life, organize when I travel, organize, you know, just so many things. And yeah, for this event, it is going to be their newest collection, which is the Homecoming Collection. It is like so cute. I actually don't own anything from the collection, but I am going to get some stuff this weekend. But basically it is like back to school meets chic. It's very fall, just very like in session for school, and it's just like the perfect collection, like that just screams fall, back to school. And so at the event they're gonna have stuff from the collection, and I also heard they're gonna have new stuff. They had they did another pop-up at another city, and now they're bringing it here to where I am, and they're gonna have new stuff, so that's super exciting because new stuff and the old stuff, that's like the best of both worlds. And yeah, so they're gonna have, and it's exclusive merch, so there's gonna be stuff that you can't buy online, there's gonna be stuff you can get online, and there's gonna be freebies and giveaways and stuff like that. So I'm just so excited. So I woke up at 7 today to take a shower because I knew at 7 o'clock I had plans to watch the first Thursday night football game of the season. If you did not know, I am a huge sports fan, and yeah. So right now I'm gonna go pick up some dinner and I'm gonna go watch my Thursday night football. And then I'll see you guys at the crack of dawn to go to the Stoney Clover Lane Homecoming Collection Takeover at La La Land. Good morning, guys. It is literally, it is literally 5:22 in the morning, and oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm up. Well, like, and let's just feel like I didn't even go to sleep. But anyways, it is time to get ready for La La Land. I just did my wing because I'm gonna do the rest of the makeup in the car because I have quite some time to spare on the way there. But let me show you guys the bags I am bringing. Since I'm not staying overnight there, I just have a couple of bags. So this one actually is, of course, all my makeup. This is for the car, or like just in case if it's hot, because you know. And then in here, I just have some car essentials, like some deodorant, like just in case I get a little sweaty, and some perfume and an extra charger. And then this is actually the purse I'm carrying. I actually just got this. I thrifted it at the thrift store. I love it. It reminds me of a Chanel, although it's definitely not a Chanel, but I do love it. And I think it is the perfect neutral bag. Okay, so my headband is from Lele Sadoe x Love Shack Fancy. These earrings, I actually just got these. They're from Bobble Bar. Next, this is just a little fake bib that I got on Amazon. I've had this for like a while to put like under shirts. And then this shirt I actually bought just for the occasion. This is from Forever 21. I really thought like the hot pink or the like, you know, 21 like matched like the whole kind of homecoming like school vibes. Next is my purse. Here it is. I think it looks really nice with the outfit. It makes it look very chic. This is just my little pink tennis skirt from Nike, or Nike, however you guys say it. And then my shoes are actually just my Mary Jane's, and then I'm wearing them with my Love Shack Fancy socks that I got from the opening. Also, I've known you guys seen some Halloween decorations in my room. Get ready for that video coming up soon. It is time to go, and I'll see you guys at the Stoney Clover Lane La La Land takeover. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car and I'm on my way home. We just went and ate real quick after the event. I did film at the event. I didn't film myself like talking at the event. LOL, peep the coffee from the cafe in the back. But because it was a little hectic, a little crazy, but it was very successful. I have my bags here. You can kind of see what I got there. But when I get home, I'm gonna do a haul, of course, and everything. And yeah, event was really fun. I'm really grateful and glad that I was able to go to it. It was super cute. I loved how they literally really transformed the cafe into like Stoney Clover, and that was really exciting for me to see because I've never been to a Stoney Clover store. And yeah, so I will see you guys at home. So now I am back home from the event. I just wanted to say that I think it was really thought out very well. Exactly when you walked in, you could tell the theme, you could tell the vibe, you could see exactly what they were going for, and I think the way they transformed the cafe was just absolutely beautiful and so cute, and I just adored it. There's actually two parts of this haul. I'm going to do the homecoming stuff first, and then I'm going to show you guys some other stuff that I have just accumulated over the few weeks with my online shopping addiction. And you guys probably want to stay for that because there's a pretty big Stoney Clover Lane item. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys know I love, you know, collecting Stoney Clover Lane, especially their Love Shack fancy pieces, so you may want to stick around for that too. So now let's get into the part you guys have all been waiting for, the TALI haul. So the first thing I'm going to show is the freebies from the event. And now why I say freebies is because if any of y'all have watched my Love Shack fancy store opening video, you guys know some of my freebies are actually just trash. So the first thing, I mean, I feel so silly sometimes showing this stuff, but like I honestly love to keep it just to have it as a memory. But this is the Stoney Clover Lane coffee cup sleeve that came with my coffee. And then my other freebie is this straw, and the reason why I kept it is because it's actually a little heart. Also, if any of you guys have a La La Land cafe near you, I ordered the upside down latte and it is very good, but remember to stir it because if you drink it without stirring it, it is just straight up coffee. Next thing I got was actually a real freebie. It is this little Stoney Clover Lane study break little pennant postcard. All right, let's get into some homecoming items, shall we? The first thing I got was this pack of stickers. I'm gonna show you guys them all because I actually do not know which ones I picked. Apparently there was two different ones, but I kind of just grabbed one. So let's see what I got. Stoney Clover Lane logo, Stoney Clover Lane bear, Stoney Clover Lane spirit, and Stoney Clover Lane University. The next thing I got was this Stoney Clover Lane little keychain. I absolutely love the keychains. I love the acrylic noise that you can make with them with your nails. But yeah, it is just this little pennant and it says SCL with a green little sparkly star. The next thing I got was this Stoney Clover Lane mauve scrunchie. This is actually the very first scrunchie I've ever got from them, and I really like them. So that's not good for me or my wallet. But anyways, this is the mauve color. As you can tell, I like pink. The neutrals, I will say they're very pretty. Like the emerald was very beautiful, and I do wear those colors from time to time. I don't like totally disclude them, but in the end, I am a pink person. And this is one of the items I wanted most. I got this Stoney Clover Lane coffee cup keychain as well. I love how it says what the event was, the study break, and then La La Land at the bottom. I didn't necessarily need, well, none of the stuff I really needed, but I got the Stoney Clover Lane bear. So this is the little bear who's wearing the little Stoney Clover Lane sweatshirt. I got the white with the pink letters, and you know, he is pretty cute. Also, every purchase came with a free tote, so this is what it looks like. It has that same bear holding the little mug, and then it has Stoney Clover Lane on the other side. And now for part 2 of this video, which is the extra little mini TALI haul. So the first place I'm going to haul from is Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works is getting risky now that they have rewards. I'll be getting too many coupons. So this, as you can see, this stuff is kind of old because this is from their $2.50 hand soap sale, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got blueberry donut, love the bottle and the design on this one. Strawberry pound cake, because you guys know I'm obsessed with this scent. For Halloween, I got enchanted candy potion. And this is the one I actually have in my bathroom right now. It is pumpkin cupcake. I love this scent. And then I just have some mini items. So this hand cream is for me. It is vanilla butter cream because you guys know I love my sweet scents, and I'm pretty sure this will probably smell very, very sweet. And then this one was also another little free coupon. It is the strawberry pound cake little body mist. I love the new packaging for them. For some odd reason, the day I went, they had like a couple items that were just like 50% off. And so I decided to get this at the beach little body spray as well. Not the scent I go for, but it was 50% off. All right, so now for some shoes. I literally have 4 pairs of shoes I need to show you guys. So the first pair is from the Real. They are Love Shack Fancy Manibi espadrilles, although I'm holding up the bag. Okay, here's the shoe. It is these Love Shack Fancy Manibi espadrilles. I remember when these came out and they actually had my size for once. You guys know my feet are very, very small, but it just has multiple Love Shack Fancy prints. These are perfect for the summer, although summer is almost ending. But yeah, if you guys know from like my previous hauls or whatnot, I love platform heels, also because I'm very short and also because they're very comfy to walk in. So recently I saw these on TikTok and I went straight to the Target app and bought them. They are the Haddison platform heels. Now this pair, yes, pair, I've already worn and they're very, very comfy, very, very lightweight, and they are just the perfect heel, not too high, not too short, and they are very, very cute, and they can go with lots of different things. Also, if you've watched my last week of Summer With Me vlog, I said I bought 2 new pairs of shoes. These are them. I'm not sure if I ever mentioned this on the channel, but a lot of my vlogs, I've worn my silver platform Zara heels, were actually the very first pair of platform shoes I've ever worn or I've ever got, and that's what made me fall in love with them. But I don't know if I mentioned that at my graduation, they actually broke. Like literally, I'm leaving the graduation and the strap just like broke off. So I've been looking for a replacement, and luckily they also had the Haddison shoes in silver. So these are the replacement for my silver Zara platform heels. The next pair of shoes, it makes very sense for me. I am a true Texan at heart, and if I was to get a pair of cowboy boots, these would be them. I got white cowboy boots. So I got these from Ross. I love my department stores. They were very, very good price. These were like only about $30, and they are just pure white cowboy boots. These aren't super girly or anything, but I do love sports, and I think these would be perfect for football games. I also think this would be really cute to mix and match with my Love Shack pieces, and yeah. And now for the last item of the haul, the Stoney Clover Lane X Love Shack Fancy item. You guys know I love collecting these Stoney Clover Lane X Love Shack Fancy pieces. They're like my favorite collab they've ever done, and I got another piece for my collection. Shout out to my friend Hannah. She actually reached out to me if I wanted this piece, and I am very happy that she did, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Although I did not need another one, I got the Stoney Clover Lane X Love Shack Fancy Hibiscus Duffel. She is absolutely, truly a gem. There's something about this pattern that is just so beautiful, and it's just really, really captivating. But here she is in all her glory, and she is just gorgeous, and I'm so excited to add her to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. I know I added some other stuff that weren't from the homecoming collection, but I just wanted to throw it in. I've been holding that stuff for a while, or like I had it a separate list that I needed to know that I needed to haul it, and I love doing haul videos, so yeah. I hope you guys liked today's video. Let me know if you have any questions or need any links, and I will make sure to get back to you with the best of my ability in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because we're on our way to 400 subscribers. It means the absolute world to me to reach that very, very soon. And if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on all social media here on the screen, down in the description below. I love you all so much, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, amazing, magnificent, fantastic, gorgeous, fabulous day.